So these are some nice little tuna kits I got. So it comes with that, some mayonnaise, relish, a little spoon, and then crackers. These are the crackers that you put tuna on. Yeah, we'll just make it. All right, so we got tuna, and then we got the crackers that we put it on. There you go. It's good. This is a great snack. If you're just out, you know, need a quick snack, this is a good one. Yeah, it. Yeah, I remember at camp I had these. I was always glad to get these. These are a really cool little kit, you know. It's rich in omega-3, which is good. It's a good thing to have. Okay. Let's go put it on there. It's in there. Yeah. The key to not running out of crackers in relation to the tuna is you put more tuna, you apply more tuna to each cracker each time. And that way, once you're done with the crackers, you'll also be done with the tuna. So I figured that out. Before, I would always not put enough tuna on the cracker, and I ended up, you just end up eating it the rest by itself, which is good, but yeah, it is. It never seemed like there were enough crackers, I guess, but you just put more tuna on each one. That's the key to. Anyways, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more food reviews, and yeah, see you later. Bye.